dopamine detox is all about resetting our brain's reward system. Imagine your brain as a complex circuit board, constantly firing off signals of pleasure and motivation. When we indulge in instant gratifications, like scrolling through social media or binge-watching shows, we flood our system with dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Over time, this can lead to a kind of numbness, where we need more stimulation to feel the same joy. So, what does a dopamine detox entail? It's a period where you intentionally cut out these high-stimulation activities. Think of it as a digital cleanse. By stepping back from distractions, you give your brain a chance to recalibrate. Studies suggest that after a detox, people often report heightened focus, improved mood, and a renewed appreciation for simple pleasures like a walk in nature or reading a book. But remember, it's not about eliminating dopamine entirely, it's about finding balance. A dopamine detox can help you regain control over your habits, making room for healthier, more fulfilling activities. It's a fascinating journey into understanding how our brains work and how we can harness that knowledge to enhance our lives.